Did you know that certain foods can help switch on your body's fat-burning hormones? Now that's a question that's piqued your curiosity, hasn't it? Well, let's unravel the mystery. Our bodies are intricate machines, and hormones are the unseen conductors orchestrating this symphony. They play a pivotal role in weight loss and metabolism, regulating blood sugar levels, fat storage, fat burning, and even our appetite control. There's a whole cast of these hormonal maestros working behind the scenes. You may have heard of some of them. Leptin, known as the satiety hormone that tells your brain you're full. Adiponectin, which boosts your metabolism and increases fat burning. And the human growth hormone, which stimulates growth, cell reproduction, and cell regeneration. Then we have glucagon, GLP-1, and CCK, all aiding in glucose control and satiety. PYY, another appetite suppressor. Testosterone, which helps in muscle development. IGF, influencing growth and development. And last but not least, our thyroid hormones, governing our body's metabolism. Now let's dive into the 15 foods that can help activate these fat-burning hormones. The first food on our list is flax seeds. These tiny, nutty seeds are power-packed with an abundance of nutrients that help regulate your body's hormones. Flax seeds are a rich source of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen that balances estrogen levels in the body. They also contain a high fiber content that helps control blood sugar levels and boosts your metabolism, thereby aiding in efficient fat burning. The second food we're highlighting is red wine. Now, this doesn't mean you should start guzzling bottles. Moderation is key. Red wine contains a compound called resveratrol, which can help increase the levels of a hormone called adiponectin. Higher levels of adiponectin are associated with lower levels of body fat. Additionally, resveratrol has been shown to stimulate fat burning. Let's dive into the sea with our third food, fish. Fish, especially fatty ones like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids help increase the production of leptin, a hormone that signals your brain when you're full. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and weight loss. Next up is the ever-popular avocado. This creamy fruit is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help increase the production of GLP-1, PYY, and CCK. These hormones work together to keep your appetite in check and your metabolism humming. And last, but certainly not least on our list for today, are eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, which can boost your metabolism and increase the production of fat-burning hormones. They are also high in choline, a nutrient that helps regulate metabolism and fat storage. That's 5 down, 10 more to go. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the remaining superfoods that can help switch on your body's hormonal fat burning. Next up is olive oil. A darling of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help to lower bad cholesterol levels. But that's not all. It also contains oleic acid, which aids in breaking down excess fats in the body, effectively switching on your fat-burning hormones. Moving on to green tea. This antioxidant-rich brew is a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. Its secret lies in a compound called EGCG, a potent antioxidant that boosts metabolism and increases the release of fat from cells. Not to mention, it's also a great way to hydrate. Now let's crack open the world of almonds. These tasty little treats are a powerhouse of nutrients. High in fiber, protein, and monounsaturated fats, almonds help you feel full longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. Plus, they contain magnesium, a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping those fat-storing hormones in check. Next, we have blueberries. These bright little berries are full of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. They have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. This can help prevent the storage of excess fat, making blueberries a sweet way to fire up your fat-burning hormones. And finally, for this segment, we have broccoli. This green vegetable is more than just a side dish. It's packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. Plus, it's rich in calcium, a mineral that aids in fat burning. Broccoli also contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and detoxify the body, further aiding in weight loss. We're 2/3 of the way through our list. Let's keep going! Number 11 on our list is quinoa. This super grain is not only packed with protein, but it also contains all 9 essential amino acids. Quinoa helps in boosting metabolism and is also a rich source of fiber, which aids in maintaining a feeling of fullness, thus controlling appetite. Moving on to number 12, we have spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with iron, which plays a significant role in energy production and metabolism. Spinach also contains thylakoids, which can increase levels of the hormone leptin, helping to control hunger and cravings. Next up at number 13 is cinnamon. This sweet and spicy seasoning is not just for flavor. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, which in turn helps to control insulin production. This makes it a great addition to your hormonal fat-burning diet. At number 14, we have grapefruit. This citrus fruit is not only a great source of vitamin C, but also contains naringenin, a flavonoid that's been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and metabolism. Grapefruit can also help in reducing insulin resistance, making it easier for your body to burn fat. Finally, rounding out our list at number 15 is chili peppers. These spicy delights contain capsaicin, a compound that gives peppers their heat. Capsaicin can help boost metabolism and increase fat burning by raising your body's temperature. It also helps in reducing appetite, making it a double whammy in your weight loss journey. And that's all 15. But we're not done yet. In summary, these 15 foods can help switch on your body's fat-burning hormones. Let's take a moment to revisit them. We have the powerhouses of protein, like lean meats and eggs, which boost glucagon and human growth hormone production. Then we have fiber-rich foods, such as oats and flax seeds, that stimulate the release of appetite-suppressing hormones like GLP-1 and PYY. We've spoken about the benefits of citrus fruits and berries, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help regulate cortisol levels. Now, let's not forget the healthy fats found in avocados and fatty fish. These not only help with the production of testosterone and adiponectin, but also aid in maintaining a healthy weight. And of course, the hormone-balancing benefits of green tea and red wine, when consumed in moderation, that aid in the production of leptin and IGF hormones. Now, how can we manage our cortisol levels for optimal weight loss? Cortisol, often known as the stress hormone, plays a significant role in our body's fat storage and weight gain. Keeping your cortisol levels in check is crucial for effective weight loss. One of the best ways to do this is through balanced meals and snacks. Ensure you're eating a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber in each meal. This balance helps to keep your blood sugar levels steady, preventing spikes in cortisol. Regular balanced meals also help to maintain a steady metabolism, further aiding in weight loss. Now, here are some tips for incorporating these foods into your daily diet. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast, like eggs or lean meats. Include fiber-rich foods in your meals, like oats or flax seeds. Have a piece of citrus fruit or a handful of berries for a snack. Include healthy fats in your meals, like avocado or fatty fish. And finally, enjoy a cup of green tea, a small glass of red wine in moderation. Remember, it's not just about eating these foods, but also about maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.